Okay, I have another vocational truck for you guys today. It's a 2019 Pete 337 with a Colt 4,000 gallon water body. On this one, we're running a 350 horse PACCAR / Cummins engine. This is a sleeved engine, 9 liter, 1,150 pounds torque. We're running a 12R 24.5 tire on this one because it's running a 14,600 pound front axle. The truck before it's bodied up weighs around 14.2 and it's running 40,000 pound rear Haulmax suspension. You can see here we're 90 gallon fuel tank, 2-to-1 small def tank. I'll show you here. All the nozzles on each one are individually controlled. These Colt bodies are built right here in Colorado, locally. These guys have been building bodies, dump bodies, water bodies, and other vocational trucks for a very long time. So we're running some Bridgestone M799 open shoulder tires, 24.5s. And again, you can see we're running a Haulmax suspension. This truck has a 10 3/4 frame. Pretty beefy. Hose storage. In some cases we could turn this into a hose reel or box it in. On the front of the chassis, I don't know if I showed you a good picture of it or not, but we do have mounting brackets for beacon lights for mining. And simple little truck. Battery disconnect, single exhaust, of course the classic Peterbilt cab. I like the way that they put these couplings on so that if you do break a pipe, you're only changing a section of pipe. Helps keep your downtime down. So behind this engine we're running a Allison 3500 RDS transmission. .557 rear gear ratio, and we are running Dana axles both front and back. Air ride seat, both driver and passenger side. And then as you can see here, we have diff lock and cross lockers, both front and rear, so you can control them individually. There's some nice benefits to that. Understanding it is a little bit of an extra charge, but in this application it's definitely needed. So hey guys, if you have interested in this truck or any other trucks, we're running a lot of different vocational applications. We're running super dumps, and regular dump, tandem dumps, fuel lube service trucks, 14-foot crane service trucks, roll-offs. We do a a large amount of vocational trucks. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Again, my direct number, 970-518-5520. Again, my name is JW. If you like these videos, go ahead and click on the button in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe. We'd love to have you, and we'll talk soon. Thank you.